Good morning, children. Today we are going to worksheet of chapter 3. So let's we start from question 1. Question 1 is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Part A. 40 less than 40 less than 400. 400. So how to do this question? 40 less. Less means come. So we will subtract 400 minus 40. 400 minus 40. So how many left are there? 360. 360 is answer. Now part B. Part B is 700 minus 10. Then 10s equal to answer is 630. So like this question, what we will do in these questions, because there is answer 630 and there is 700. 7 if we subtract 630 from 700. So we got answer 700 minus 630. 0, 7 and 70 will be in tens. So if we subtract 70 from 700, we have got the answer 630. Now part C. In the month of April, there were 23 working days. How many days were holidays? First, we will know about how many days in April. Number of days in April. 30 equal to 30. Working days are 23 and there is asking how many days were holidays. Number of holidays are, if we subtract 23 from 30, then there will be 7 days are holidays. Now part D. 30 minus 29 plus 28 minus 27 plus 26 minus 25 plus 24 minus 23. So in like this question we will apply the formula of DMAS. DMAS formula, which numbers are here of plus. Now there is 30, 28, 26, 24. These numbers are in addition. So we will add these numbers first. 30, 28 and 26 and 24. 14 plus 4, 18, carry over 1, 4, 6, 602, 8, 802, 10. 108, which numbers are in addition. So, put the sign of minus and now we will see which numbers are in minus. 29. So we will add these numbers, but here will be sign of minus 29, 27, 25 and 23. 9 or 7, 16, 21 and 3, 24. 4, 6, 8 and 10. These numbers are in addition 104. So 108 minus 104 is 4. Answer is 4. Now next is 6500 equal to 6000. Part A is and 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds equal to dash. Thousands, 15 hundreds. 15 hundreds. Like this question, what we will do? There is 15 on hundreds and there is blank on thousand. So if we take one borrow from the 100, there will be 15. 15 will be here, and if 1000 is given to the 100, what is left here? If we will subtract 1 from 6, how many left are there? 5. So 5000 and 15 hundreds. Answer is 5. Now take one more example. Part F. Part F is 370 hundreds equal to minus 1700 tens. 1700 tens equal to dash. There is 370 hundreds. First we will write 370 and hundreds. 1700 tens. 1700 tens. Now subtract it. 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. 20,000 is the answer. 20,000 is the answer. So part A is the answer of this question. Now question 8. Question 8 is the largest 5-digit numbers subtract from the smallest digit numbers gives. Part G. First we will write what is the largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit numbers. 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. 99,999. Smallest 6-digit number. Digit number. What? Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Now subtract it. Question is the largest 5-digit number subtract from smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number is this, and largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Now subtract it. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. What is the answer here? 1. 1 is the answer. students, I hope you have understand of this worksheet, and now do practice of this worksheet at home. Thank you and have a nice day.